A refined riding experience packed with cutting-edge performance. An aerodynamic, full-fairing design and refined ergonomics create greater efficiency and comfort for you and your passenger. Lean forward into the cockpit of the front fairing and you'll see a 13% gain in highway range. Sit up and settle in for an amazing ride. With higher handlebars, lower foot pegs, suspension tuned for comfort, combined with a bigger seating area for your passenger, the SRS is the most comfortable sport bike on the road. Further your riding experience with 140 foot-pounds of torque and 110 horsepower with a simple twist of the wrist. SRS offers class-leading performance and efficiency from our ZF7510 motor and 14.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. Thanks to our intelligent Cypher 3 operating system and Bosch motorcycle stability control, the new SRS strikes the perfect balance between power and control that sets a standard for premium performance. SRS is the smartest motorcycle on the road. A customizable full-color dash keeps everything you need to know front and center. For everywhere else, our next-gen app allows you to customize and relive your ride and feeds you critical information about the status of your bike. But to truly understand the new Zero SRS, you have to ride it.
Verge TS electric motorcycle with 735 foot-pounds of torque, almost ready for production. With a 107 horsepower motor and a jaw-dropping torque figure of 735 foot-pounds, it's no surprise the TS can achieve sub-4 second 0 to 60 mile/hour times. What is stunning is the electric powerhouse reaches a maximum city range of 180 miles and 120 miles on the highway. The addition of DC fast charging should also cut down on recharge times as well. Lacking a rear hub, the engine doubles as the rear braking system. Verge diverted from convention yet again by eliminating the brake pedal for dual hand brake levers. At $26,950, Verge's first model won't be cheap, but the pricing aligns with the premium packages offered by competitors. The full Öhlins suspension and dual disc Brembo braking system up front helps justify the MSRP.
Introducing the most connected motorcycle experience ever. With cellular telematics and cloud connectivity, it's a dashboard in your pocket, so you can check your bike's status from anywhere in the world. With integrated cellular and GPS, so you get notifications in real time, and stolen vehicle assistance, keeping you in the know wherever you may be, all with seamless Bluetooth integration, so you can lean in and enjoy the ride.